Hello children and welcome back to mathematics class of class 8. We will be continuing with chapter 12 exponents and powers. In the last class we have already learned about the basic concepts, the introduction that is. So we have learned about the different laws and how to write the standard form, right? So we will continue with exercise 12.1 in this class. So let's try to solve the questions given in your textbook. It's in page number 197. So the question is evaluate the first one is 3 to the power minus 2. So 3 to the power minus 2. They want us to evaluate. Evaluate is the other word for calculate or make a calculation or simplify. Okay, same thing. So what happens here is we have a base and we have a negative exponent. All right, let me write it bigger. 3 to the power minus 2. Now we have the base as 3 and the power as minus, exponent as minus 2. So to remove this minus, what do? We have already learned 1 by. So this minus is gone. Now here in the denominator, 3 to the power 2 will come without the minus. Okay? Are you getting this? This is how you remove the minus sign. Alright? So once you have this, the rest is very easy. 3 to the power 2 means 3 you multiply 2 times, right? And when you multiply 3 2 times, you get 1 by 9, right? So this is the first part. The answer is 1 by 9. Similarly, question number 2, minus 4 minus 2. The solution for this is also simple again. To remove first minus, I put 1 by. Okay? And this, do not confuse this minus and this minus. They are totally different. This is the exponent, so we have removed this minus. This will remain as it is, minus 4 to the power 2. All right? Now, if you look carefully, this minus is also being multiplied 2 times. So if you multiply minus into minus, minus into minus, you get plus. All right? So this will become plus, and we have to multiply 4 2 times. 4 into 4, or we can write minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied 2 times. So 1 by minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. So your answer is 1 by 16. Okay? Let's look at the next question. The next question is 1 by 2 the whole power minus 5 is equal to 2 by 1 the whole to the power, okay, sorry. So this is the question. Now to remove this, I put 1 by and then 1 by 2 to the power 5. Okay, so this divide if I change to multiply, 1 into. When I change this divide to multiply, this will go up reverse. It will be reversed. Means 1 will come down, 2 will go up. 2 will go up, 1 will come down, and you will get like this. Are you getting this? This divide is changed to multiply, so the numbers will change places. All right? So 1 into this is simply 2 to the power 5 by 1 power 5. So 2 to the power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. You don't even have to write this. Just for your reference, 1 is being multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2, 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. So divide by 1, don't need to write. So this is your final answer, 32. All right? So in your next question, we have question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So we have to first simplify the question and okay, this is the question. Right? And express the result in power notation with positive exponent. That means the exponent should be positive. So let's start. The first one is minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. This can be written as minus 4 common. All right, the low same base divide. So minus 4 I'm taking common, and since it is divide, we will subtract the exponent. Okay, so I have this minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8 is 3. Since 8 is bigger and it is minus, we will write minus 3. And now to remove this minus 3, I will write 1 by minus 4 to the power 3. Here I have removed the minus, and this is your final answer. All right, let's move on to the next question. We have 1 by 2 to the power 3, the whole to the power 2. So this I can write as 1 to the power 2, okay, by, this means this is being multiplied 2 times, and this 2 to the power 3 is being multiplied 2 times. All right, so this is nothing but power of powers. So 1 you multiply as many times as possible, as many times as you want, you will still get 1. 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, you multiply the powers and you get 1 by 2 to the power 6. So this is your final answer. Question number 3. Question number 2, 3. The question is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4. So this I can write in this manner: minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. Right? Okay, sorry. Let's solve this with the use of law. Different base, same power. So minus 3 into 5 by 3. And same base, so, right? So this 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. I have cancelled it. Now I have minus 5 to the power 4. So minus 5 is being multiplied like this. Minus 5 is, or we can say in short, minus is being multiplied 4 times. That means minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times after multiplying I get plus. So I will write 5 to the power 4. This minus will be removed. Okay? So this is the answer for question number 3. Let's move on to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. So this is the question given. So this I can write as 3 to the power minus 7 by 3 to the power minus 10. This divide, all right, into 3 to the power minus 5. So again, this is divide. So I will take 3 as common, okay, and these 2 I will subtract. That means minus 7 minus minus 10. This is divide, so minus, subtract the 2 exponents, 3 to the power minus 5. So I have here 3 to the power minus 7, minus into minus, plus into 3 to the power minus 5. So I will get 3. Minus 7 plus 10. So we will subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 10 is bigger than 7 here. So 10 is positive. So it will be plus 3. Okay? Into 3 to the power minus 5. So this base is same. Add, since it is multiply, add the powers. So we have 3, 3 plus into minus, minus 5. So I'm getting 3 to the power minus 2. So this is your final answer. But they have asked us to represent it in a positive, so exponent, so I will write like this. Okay, to remove the minus, I put 1 by. All right, children. So this is about question number 4. Once you understand the laws, it becomes quite easy. Please try to keep in mind all the different laws that we have studied so far. Let's look at question number 5. 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. All right? So your solution will be, so if you look at this, you will see that the base is different, okay? But the power is same. So here I will take the base and the two bases together and multiply, and take the exponent as common, same, right? So you multiply these two, 2 into 7 is 14. No sign is given means it is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Now minus 14 for these two to the power minus 3. So to remove this minus from the exponent, I put 1 by, and then minus 14 to the power 3. All right. So this is how you will solve the questions for this you will solve these questions for question number 2, how to simplify. All right. Now if you turn to question number 3, the question is find the value of. So the first one is given 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So we have to solve all these and find what number it will come to. Okay, what number we will find, what answer, what solution we can find. So 3 to the power 0, a to the power 0, we have already learned it is always 1. Okay, plus 4 to the power minus 1. I want to remove the minus, so I put 1 by 4 to the power 1. All right, I hope you're getting this. Into 2 to the power 2. So I can write in the side, a to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, 3 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so in place of 3 to the power 0, I put 1. Now, take the LCM, I get 4. 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 2. This 5 by 4. So when I say 4, I can write as 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2 is 4, and into 2 to the power 2. So I can write like this, 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. So this will become 5 into 2 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 2. I am putting them together, okay? Now this is same base and minus divide, so I will subtract the power. So I get 5 into 2 to the power 0. So 5 into 1 is equal to, my answer will be 5. Okay, children? So this is the first part. 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1, bracket close, divide 2 to the power minus 2. So we have to find the value for this. Same thing, first remove all the minus, that is, this 2 to the power minus 2 will become 1 by 2. 1, right or not, the power 1, it doesn't matter, all right? 1 by 4. 4 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 4. Divide by, this 2 to the power minus 2 will become 1 by 2 to the power 2. Just put 1 by, remove the minus. Okay, so this is the first part. Now, to multiply this, multiply the numerator. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 4, 8. Divide 1 by 2 to the power 2. Now again, if you look at this, you can see that, all right, 1 by 8. This divide, if I change to multiply, the numbers will change places. So the number below will come on top, the number on top will go below. Okay, please do not get confused. Now, this will look like this. 1 by 8 into 2 into 2 is 4. By 1, no need to write, okay? Now, 4 into 1 is 4. I cancel them. 4 into 2 is 8. So, the remaining answer is 1 by 2. All right? So, this is question number 2. Let's look at another question. Question number 3. So the question is 1 by 2 the whole to the power minus 1 by 3 the whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole to the power minus 2. So this is your question. So what we will do here is we will bring up these to a negative exponent. 1 by 2 I can write as 2 to the power minus 1, right? And 1 by 3 I can write as 3 to the power minus 1. This will be same. Plus 1 by 4 I can write 4 to the power minus 1. And the power will remain same, minus 2. So after doing this, I will multiply these two. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 to the power minus 1 into minus 2 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into minus 2. So if you multiply the powers, you get minus minus plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 to the power minus minus plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. So when you solve it, you get 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. If you add all of them, you will get 29. All right? Let's look at question number 4. We have 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power 0. So just look at this, the whole to the power 0. I can say that all this represents a and 0. Okay? All this represents a and 0. So a to the power 0 is nothing but 1. You don't even have to solve this. Okay? So simply know that the whole thing to the power 0 will always give you 1, no matter what number you get inside. All right? So this is directly equal to 1. Before we wind up, let's quickly have a look at one last question. So the question here is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 the whole to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 into 2. I will continue here. So this is the question given. So what I will do is power of powers. So minus 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2. Power of powers, you multiply the two powers, is equal to this minus 2 by 3 will become minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. After this, to remove this minus, you simply change the places. 3 by minus 2 and automatically this minus will disappear. Okay? All right? This is changing places, and this minus I will take outside. I will multiply it 4 times. Okay? And this 3 by 2, I will separate the powers. That means 3 by 3 4 times, 2 4 times. All right? So when you multiply all this, you will get minus, you multiply 4 times, it will become plus. 1 you multiply as many times, it will still be 1. Into 3 you multiply 4 times, you get 81. 2 you multiply 4 times, you get 16. So your final answer is 81 by 16. So with this, we come to the end of this video and this particular exercise. We will continue in the next class. So until we meet again, please continue to practice this at home. These are all very simple, basics only. You simply have to understand the laws properly, okay? So until I see you again, please stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.